Today we're going to talk about radical equations with extraneous solutions. When the variable in an equation occurs in a square root, a cube root, and so on, that is when it occurs in a radical. The equation is called a radical equation. And extraneous solutions are apparent solutions that are not in fact solutions of the original equation. So let's see, we'll work an example. We're going to find the real solutions of the equation square root of x minus 1 equals x minus 7. First, we're going to start off by getting rid of the square root. We're going to do that by squaring both sides of the equal sign. And we're going to get x minus 1, the square root will go away, equals, we're going to have x minus 7, and since it's squared, it's times by itself. And now let's FOIL the right side. So we're going to still have x minus 1 on the left, and then we're going to FOIL, so x times x is x squared, and then x times negative 7 is negative 7x. Negative 7x again, and then 7 times 7 is 49. And now let's combine like terms on the right. So we're going to have x minus 1 equals x squared minus 14x plus 49. And now we want to get all the variables on one side of the equal sign. So I'm going to subtract over x and add over 1, subtract over x and add over 1. We're going to get 0 equals x squared minus 15x plus 50. And now we can factor this. So we're going to have x and x. Now we need a number that multiplies, two numbers that multiply to be 50 and add to be 15. 10 and 5. So they're both negative because it's positive 50 and negative 15. And since we have the zero property rule allows us to take each one and set it equal to 0. So we have negative x equals 10 or x equals 5. And now we need to check our solutions. We're going to check our solutions so that we can see if we have any extraneous solutions, any solutions that are not correct. So we're going to do this by plugging into the original equation. So let's first start off with x equals 10. We're going to plug it into the first part, the square root of 10 minus 1, and that equals 10 minus 7. So we get the square root of 9 equals 3, 3 equals 3. So this one checks out. Now let's try x equals 5. Square root of 5 minus 1 equals 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 1 is 4. The square root of 4 equals negative 2. The square root of 4 is 2 equals 2. Negative 2, which does not work. So our extraneous solution is x minus x equals 5. So the only solution to the equation is x equals 10.